Welcome to the Japan Show. I mean, Leomatic Show. Sorry.
Okay, guys, and spooky. Okay, guys, and here we are with another installment of the Japan Craze. This one's a little bit later in the month than normal, guys, because the good people of Japan have been experiencing some weather, and where Japan Crate is, it is disrupted, among other things, their mail service, guys. So they had to send to Tokyo, and Tokyo got a little bit backlogged. Our thoughts are with everybody in Japan, of course, for this, including the wonderful people at Japan Crate, guys. And here you can see, so we have a little bit of a vampire motif on the left of your screen, guys, and a bat in the center on the Japan Crate logo, and a little Frankenstein action, guys, with the Japan Crate Power Ranger on the right corner, guys, of your screen. Okay, guys, and we'll take a look at the box, and then you can see japancrate.com.
And it says,
and there's this again, Happy Halloween.
It says on the back, we love you.
They love us, guys. That's so sweet.
They love our channel.
Actually, in fact, guys, on the back there is some really cool stuff here as well, guys. So this one, yeah, guys, it took quite a while.
I mean, it took us about 2 weeks or so. And one of the weeks
it took more like 6. Normally, it doesn't take quite that long. So, guys, let's open it up and check out what we have. So, before we get too far into that, here is our Japan Crate booklet, and it now opens in the English style. Ooh, boy, look at all this stuff. We will come back to this, guys. All right, buddy. Let's just start grabbing stuff.
Chips.
So, this is kind of. This is a little spooky. I don't know what this is. Is this cards? Is that what it is? Okay, and we've got. Oh, what are these? Caramel potato chips?
We had the DIY.
The DIY. Oh, this is some sort of foamy drink. We have oh, guys, look at that. Dude, did you see this? That's a pumpkin guy. Did you see that? That's cool. Did you see this? That's pretty neat, huh? And we have.
These are like some sort of pop rock candy.
Think so? Okay, we have a Halloween Pepsi Cola, guys.
Ooh,
this is pretty cool.
Kit Kat.
J Cola Midnight, guys. Japan Cola. Yeah, last year they put a whole bag of Kit Kats in there. Does not appear like we're getting that this year.
Dude, bone coffin.
Ooh.
Dude, that's
Candy
cool.
coffins.
That's cool.
This one's melted together. Here is.
What even is this?
Hikakin.
This looks like jelly bean.
Yeah, it does.
What is this?
Guys, let's Halloween.
What is this?
Oh, this is Kasugai.
What is this?
These are probably gummies. It's a maraca.
It's maraca candy.
It's a rattlesnake maraca. Okay, guys, and we have here. Oh, this is some sort of licorice, I guess.
Oh, cheese-ack.
Oh, here's another one of these things. Oh, this is a horror mask. Are these in both masks? I wonder if the other ones. Oh boy, this is interesting. Cheeseack, yep.
We have some. It appears to be like some sort of white thing. It's like a ghost wish.
You don't know what this is either. Cotton candy, maybe?
Oh, dude, look. The normal stuff.
Trick or treat. Ooh, I bet. So one of these is maybe spicy or it tastes like I don't know. A bourbon cocoa cream. Great. Those are always good. Ooh, is this one of those?
Another bourbon cocoa cream. Guys, it's another bourbon cocoa cream. And another hard candy. And they have one of these.
Okay.
They have one of these now.
Hold on. Let me catch up to you. Oh, look at the little elf of magic. He looks like he's about to hit you right in the face with his shillelagh stick right there.
Guys!
Don't do it!
Guys, look! It's all the Disney characters.
Okay, guys, here is some of the bourbon gummies, also from Kasugai, and another hard candy. Is that all there was in the box?
I am drinking root beer. He is drinking Powerade.
I am drinking, yes, an iced tea, a lovely beverage.
Guys.
Okay, guys, so here it is. Oh, let's see. Sometimes they put... the vampire is saying something at the bottom. Dude, check it out.
I know. I think
guys,
we
don't know what it is because we can't read Japanese.
Next,
okay, so,
I'm going to choose.
Holy moly. Okay, hold on. Holy macaroni here, guys. Wow, look at all of this. This is...
This looks good.
This is a huge pile of stuff. Look, it's blocking Leo. I've had to move the camera back.
I think first I'm choosing the bone coffin.
Okay, the bone coffin. Let's take a look at that.
I think you build these bones and then eat them. Oh, dude, this is the toy.
It is?
This is a toy and you build a skeleton.
Really? Mm-hmm. Guys, he might be right. Let's take a look at it. I don't see... Oh, no, this is food, dude.
Oh, food.
There's nutritional information on it. Ah, it's sticking to me. Okay, how do you open this coffin? Here we go.
That's a... Oh.
Well, I think you're right. I think you can build stuff with this, maybe. It looks like there's some balls
and here's some official Halloween music.
Alright. Okay, Leah, we have a decision here. Do you want to try to build this?
Yeah.
Okay. You can't eat any of the pieces, though. You just gotta try to build it. You can do that, okay?
And let's try every piece.
Okay, do you want to build it or do you want to eat it?
Eat.
Okay. We're giving up on the building, guys. Oh, I forgot my scissors. Oh no. I'm gonna have to go get that. Okay, so tell them about the yellow and the pink, and then save the white one.
The yellow? Whoa, guys. Buttons.
Is it banana or what is it?
I think it's like banana something.
Let me have a couple of those. Give me a pink one and a yellow one. Okay, I want these two that are actually intact. Okay, guys, so you can see here, you can't really put them together because they break. Bummer. Get the idea, though. Okay, yellow is kind of gross. I don't know what that is. I like this packaging, though. Here's what it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm gonna try this one.
I'm saving this coffin.
Okay. Guys, no, that's a miss for me. Do you like them? Do you like them both?
I'm gonna try white.
Okay.
White's the skull.
Good? Okay.
Time to try the pink.
Okay. Okay, guys, so we had two of these Kit Kats here, so I want to try. Let's see, we got a ghost? Or no? Oh, Medusa is on this one.
Well, I want the one.
And this one is like a spy guy. I want to open these both up and see if there's any difference. So this it looks like a regular Kit Kat. Let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, these are both just regular Kit Kats, so. Alright, let's head at them.
I got Medusa.
Are these actually in the shape of things? This one's the shape of a melted mess. Right.
I'm also in the shape of a
This is just your
melted
standard issue Kit Kat, guys. Nothing too special here. But of course, we like Kit Kats.
I'm one step ahead of you. What are these delicious bones you said were yucky?
Yeah, they're pretty bad. Okay, and what's next? Okay, the Halloween mask. All right, we're gonna open both of these things. You open that one, I'll open this one.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, did you already get it off? Is there food in that one?
No.
Yeah, there is. This is pink things right there.
Whoa.
Oh, is this another mask? What is this? Oh, so here's what's in this. A card,
I don't have a card in mine.
It looks like Japanese writing of some kind.
I don't have a card
I feel like this folds out. It does.
Dude, you're supposed to apply these bands. I'm gonna wear my mask, but I first...
Oh, okay. Wait, is this where... I don't understand what I'm doing here. Let's just open this up and see what's in there. Oh! That's gruesome.
What? Let me see.
Leo's got a pumpkin mask. Oh, you had these things in there.
I want to try this.
Let's see what these are. So this was in Leo's thing. I'm just going to open these up. I think these are candy. Careful now.
It might be poisonous dots.
Mm-mm. Ooh.
Candy?
Those are really good.
I want to taste some.
Their poisonous darts are very good tasting. So what is this? This is something you eat, I guess? So do you eat this paper? Oh, is it gum?
I didn't get that.
I don't know what this is. I thought they both were masks, guys. Here.
Mine was a mask. Because I got a pumpkin.
I know. That's just gum. Pretty good gum.
Tastes sort of like a baseball gum. I like it.
A little bit, yeah. Okay. 2 winners there.
Oh, dude. Blood.
Oh, here, let's take a look at that. Let's show everybody at home what the mask we got. Oh, this is a cool idea, actually. Guys, if I didn't already have something to wear, I would totally be wearing this. We got to keep this, dude. I like this. I would wear this. Can it fit? Oh, this is... blocks up a little bit too much of my vision, guys. But I like this. This is a cool idea. A pumpkin. You could be a pumpkin head with a knife stuck in you. Clever. Very clever. Okay. Well, I'm going to have this bourbon thing here. And... of course, this isn't obviously real bourbon, guys. It's a bunch of these packs here. Okay, let's see what's in one.
Mr. Scissors cut mine open.
Here, I'll just trade you. Oh, this one got melted together.
Mine did not.
That's no fun.
Guys, this is what they look like if they're not melted together.
Oh, this is what it looks like when they are melted together.
Let me see.
Big chunk of joy. All right. Ah, fighting me. Stop. Okay.
I like these a lot. That's like for me. I now have...
They taste like those awesome Cassie guys, for sure, guys.
I now have 5, and I am outrunning Dad as I usually do.
And guys, we do have a Cassie Guy challenge up if you would like to check that out, in which Leo attempts to identify a whole bunch of flavors of gummies. As Leo has said,
It's Maraca.
He's ahead of me right now in terms of how many he's liked so far. He's like 5. I, meanwhile, have only like 4. This is one of our favorite crates, this whole Halloween thing, though. And I don't know, maybe Halloween is big in Japan where they all just really get behind it and get into it. I don't know, but I'll tell you this. Japan crate, if there's one crate you're going to buy every year, it usually is the Halloween one that is very worthwhile, guys. And, okay, is this some sort of orange? How does this, okay, is it open on the bottom, maybe? No? How does this open? Oh. Yeah. Just pop, oh, pops off. Okay. Oh, it's more of those little dot things. Here, I'm just going to try these while I got it right here.
Guys, look.
Oh, those are awesome. Those are outstanding. How's our coffin coming? Here's a lid for that. Let's see what you think, buddy.
After a chew a bump.
There's an explosion of orange dots everywhere. Oh my gosh, guys, it's Halloween all over our floor. Oh well, nice try. What do you think?
I haven't tried them yet.
Oh, you didn't? Well, try them.
I'm going to try them now.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
They're really good, huh? Too bad they're all over the floor. Okay, guys, so...
Guys, there's still some left. I'm saving these.
Yeah, I would too. Yeah, for
And
sure.
the coffin.
Okay. All right, guys, so I think it's time for Cheese Zach. Cheese Zach. Oh, is this Zach? Is this Jack, the cheese maniac? Ah, Zach, let me into your cheesy snacks. Whoa, what is this? What? Look at this. It's like, oh, whoa, dude, this is unique. Okay, here. It's like a Cheeto cheese. Those are I don't even know what to say about those.
Guys, look at this thing. That is gruesome.
Oh. Did you like? Oh, that is gruesome. Did you like that?
Mhm.
The cheese snack, I thought was kind of strange.
I loved it.
All right. Okay. All right. Your turn to pick something. Caramel chips, perhaps. Let's get the DIY thing out of the way. What will it be? What will it be? Choices, choices, choices. So many things to choose.
I choose Pumpkin Jack Skellington thing. I choose you.
All
I was
right.
making fun of Pokemon.
Okay, here he is. Wow, that's cool. I like that. I like this graphic. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, we got little berry things, it looks like. I'm just going to have... Here it is, guys. Interesting. Tastes a lot like sugar to me. What do you think?
Tastes like sugar. Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Okay. All right, guys. So I don't know what this is. It says Hikakeen. I gotta find out what this is. And it's cookies. Little bear shapes on them. Would you like a cookie with a little bear shape on it? Guys, I'm mad naughty. I wanted to show you what was in it. It is chocolate. Alright. Those are good.
Yeah.
I would like some garbage.
I was like...
Okay. Alright, guys. So this is the bourbon thing that Leo has chosen. And...
Oh, whoa, wait.
Alright.
How do we even open it?
Like that. Here, you want to trade? Alright. Okay.
Wow, what is this? It
Looks like a Tootsie Roll. Come here, you. Alright, guys, so there it is.
What is inside of that?
Also that. Oh, whoa.
Oh, wait.
Not like Kit Kat at all.
Wait, I think I know what it is. A crepe.
Yeah, it's a little crayfish. Yep, you're right.
I like it.
Good? Yeah, I like it too. Well, I guess we might as well go for these caramel chips. If that's what they are. Let's see it. Oh, these smell weird. There they are.
I'm taking a very small one. Guys, that was outstanding to me.
You like these? Dulce de leche chips. Not me. That is another miss for me, guys.
All of this Japan credit made me thirsty.
Alright, what would you like next? Oh, he wants the old Halloween Pepsi. Oh, here it is, guys. Halloween Pepsi. Now, we do not like Pepsi. We don't buy Pepsi. We don't prefer Pepsi. Nothing to do with Pepsi. But, I mean, it is the Japan crate, so. There we
And
go.
hey, I already have soda. Pour me a little bit more.
Let's just sample it. Here you go. Toast.
Yeet.
And you guys go. Doesn't look any different than the other Pepsi.
I like it. It's very good.
J. Cola Midnight Pepsi. It tastes like normal Pepsi to me. I'm not a fan of Pepsi.
Excuse me. Excuse me again.
Excuse me. Yeah, excuse me. Excuse me. All right, guys. So that's a miss for me. You like it? Okay. So Leah's gonna be.
Let's see how many I have.
You have right now 12, guys, and I have 9. Okay, so these are all trick or treat things, and I'm gonna open all these. So we have a pumpkin. We have some. Oh, how dare you! So we have. So we have a pumpkin. Okay, we're good with that. We're good with that now. Anyway, guys, we have a scarecrow, we have pumpkin, and we have trick or treat. Which is a mystery flavor. Oh, are these chocolates? Okay. So, here is our mystery, okay? Alright?
Is it spicy?
No, it's like a cricket in it. No.
Chocolate.
Alright, this one is, what does it say? This is the scarecrow one.
Is it spicy?
No. I don't know what that is. That's gross. You like that one? Ugh, man, it's like a coffee something.
I would not like to try that.
No, that other one. The yellow one was coffee. This is like cookies and cream.
Oh, cookies and cream?
These are a miss for me, guys.
I like all of them.
Okay, so Leo's going to go through the rest of those. And guys,
Done.
he is running away with this thing 13-9. That's not even close.
I have to try these jelly bean things.
That's your pick? Okay. Let's bust these babies open. Let's Halloween, guys. Let's do it. And
Slingshot! Miss!
okay. Oh, whoa, guys! Look at all the pretty colors. So we have some sort of brownish yellow. We have a purple. We have a pink. We have a blue. Oh, that's a green. And we have a blue. These look like just the regular Casa guys. So I'm gonna give you one of each, just like me.
I get first try.
We're gonna try together. If I can find you a green one. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, so let me just show you these real quick. So here we have purple, pink, orange, green, and blue. And Leo has a set as well. And here you go, buddy. And let's which one are we gonna try first? What color is that? Green? Okay, here goes the green.
Good!
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Alright, what's next? Purple.
These taste all the same.
That's a different kind of grape. What's next? The green is way better so far. Blue?
I like it. I'm gonna wear my pumpkin mask.
Interesting. Okay, what's next? Orange. Okay. And pink? Ew.
I like them.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, 10.
Past guys are pretty
10
good.
to 14.
Yep, 10 to 14. Okay, guys. So I just saw this thing. I feel like it was getting neglected, shoved over in the corner there. So let's pop this baby open. Oh, man. Okay.
Mr. Scissors is always included.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. It looks like cereal tortillas. What? Whoa. Ooh, these are savory. I know what this is.
Huh.
It's spicy squid. Yes, sir. No? You're going to pass on that one?
11 to 14. I'm still in the lead. 11 to 14. I'm still in the lead.
I don't blame you. You wouldn't like these. I think they're awesome. But okay.
I think I know what these are.
Licorice. Boy, those are really spicy.
I think I know what these are.
Well, that's by far my favorite thing. Oh. Okay, we have two colors. So, I'll take half. Oh, this looks like gum. Okay, so let me know which one we're going to try first. If it's going to be the pink or the purple. Pink? Okay. It seems like gum, not gum candy.
It seems like mint.
Oh, cinnamon. Gross. You like it?
Savory to me.
Alright, guys, I'm going to go with this purple. Cinnamon. Yay.
Cinnamon.
Purple isn't cinnamon. I don't know what it is.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
I don't like that either. Okay, I'm going to forget that I ever had that. Alright, do you like that? I'm going back to my spicy squid, guys. That's a miss for me. Okay, we got 2 more left to go. 3 more if you count the do-it-yourself. And this one is my choice, which is this guy with the shillelagh stick. Whoa! I like chocolate bread.
I like it. I like it.
That's cool. Pretty cool.
Okay, 12, 13.
Leo right now is 16 to 12.
Oh.
And since this is the last one, before we get to the DIY, I'm just going to crack this baby open. Alright, guys. Oh, this is okay. So it's these these are hard candies, are they? So it looks like there's 3 different, I don't know what this is. Alright, so there's different candies in here, I guess. Let's see what we got. This one is, this very pretty color. Purple pretty color. Let's see what color this one is.
Purple pretty color.
Yeah! Oh, this one's also a purple pretty color.
Okay, I'm going for it. 3, 2, 1. Nothing inside.
Yeah, good.
Good. 17 to 13.
Those are quite delicious. Yeah, if this was an actual competition, Leo would have annihilated me, guys. And that means it's time to take a look at our book. So, we have the pretty girl, and the Power Ranger, and a bear, and a ghost. And their trick-or-treating stuff. This is cool. October 2018, guys. Oh, okay, so this is a Makai drink. I can't read that. Alright. Sukuman? Yeah, something. Okay, so this is all the instructions. We'll get to that shortly. And in the back is a Sugai crate. And the online store is now open. You can get up to 80% off, guys. Definitely check that out, www.japancrate.com. Anybody who has not tried one of these, we strongly encourage you to look into this. These are cool. Okay, Ramen Girls. Okay. Very cool tradition, guys. if we ever get to Osaka, we are definitely diving into that. At least I am. I'm all about that ramen. Okay, guys, and we definitely support this as well, guys, for women to take their place, their rightful place, guys, and not be second class. Here, guys, we have the Supernatural Kitty Festival. Oh, man, look at this. It's a cat parade of people dressed up as cats. Oh, man. I'm moving to Japan, I guess, for October, guys. Look at all this cool stuff they do. Learn Japanese. Kaboka. I might have said that wrong. Pumpkin. And there's that would be scary. What are you going for Halloween? Very cool, guys. So the mini crate is the burnt caramel chips, which I hated. Leo liked them. The Halloween Koala March, guys, which was... Those are the little chocolate things. Those are good. Scary Story Gum. Oh, whoa. Dude, so those packs of gum were with a story that I couldn't read. Cheezac. The very strange thing. That was definitely an interesting one. We had Pickle Compito, I think. And this is like a rock candy thing. Oh, that was that thing that just tasted like sugar. This is the DIY. Oh, okay. So this is a Devil from Hell DIY that makes a special drink, and he turns into super something. Okay, we have chocolate alphabet. Oh, Halloween alphabet chocolate. So one was milk, one was vanilla, and one was pumpkin pudding. Interesting. We have the Choco Bat. Oh, that was that bread thing. It was an actual bat, dude. Okay, Chibiko Mikan. And this is the, oh, that's that orange thing. Those orange candies that wound up all over our floor, but they were really good. Oh, okay.
That's the lid I'm putting on into the eye.
Okay.
That pumpkin.
So this is actually dried fish chips, Leah.
Ew.
Yeah. Dried fish strips. Those were good. I like that. Was my favorite thing. What was your favorite?
Coffin.
Coffin was your favorite? Okay. So we
well,
have
it
here.
might not be my favorite once we get to the.
So we the fettuccine gummies. Oh, that's what those were. Mine melted all together, so it was a big chunk. Okay, and we have this is it starts with grape and it can turn to pink peach, lemon yellow, and blue apple. Okay. Wow, this is interesting. Those are all hard candies. We like those. The Kasugai gummies. I think the cola was that the green one maybe, or is there a brown one in there? I don't know. There were one of those, a zombie flavor. Those were really good. These things here. And then this was it's a gum that makes your tongue change colors. Stick out your tongue. Didn't work on him. Okay, guys. Skeleton Ramuna.
Ooh.
And you can make a skeleton. We don't know how to do that. Our bones broke when we tried. At least mine did. Horror Mask. Oh, those were apple candies. Those little tiny green ones. Remember those? Those were good. Oh, they were pink, rather. Yeah, they were pink. Okay. So, the Kit Kats, Halloween Kit Kats, just regular Kit Kats. They had a different flavor last year. Those are really good. And there's the crepe cookie. Dude, you got it exactly right. It was a crepe cookie. Good job. And Halloween Pepsi Midnight. I don't know what cassis is, and I didn't really taste any different flavor with that Pepsi. So I don't know. Did you do? No, I didn't really either. Okay, guys. So let's move right along to.
The Japan people might taste it.
Yeah, they might. Okay, let's move right along to.
This is my coffin when I die.
Okay, guys. So let's move right around to this. Whoa! Look at this thing, guys. You see that? Oh, here. Actually, let me do this. You guys see that? Oh, that is way wicked. Wow. Okay, so we have a cup. We have these packets, and we have the straw. Okay, so let's
make this not turn into a mess.
Yes, indeed, guys. I'm gonna grab some water. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I'm back, and let me put this over here so we can watch what I'm doing. Possibly. Okay. So the first thing it wants us to do is pour water into the corner. Done. Okay, the purple pack. Oh, that's this one, and we mix it with the straw. Okay. Oh, or we drop it, whatever. Okay.
Fish for the puny straw.
It's right here. Okay, here we go, guys. So, mix it with the straw. Okay. Does it mix very well? That's fine. Fill the water to the line in the cup. Okay, where's the line? You guys see a line? Do you see a line? Oh, yeah. There it is. Okay. Yep. Okay. And the blue pack goes into the cup. Okay. And you go. Oh, come on. I feel like there's some more in here that won't come out. Come out, wherever you are. Alright, forget it, whatever. Okay. Alright. Mix this one up. And okay. So it says that we pour little by little. Oh, or we pour it on the table, whatever. Okay, so it's supposed to bead. Is it beading? I can't tell. Oh, here it's beading. Little by little. Little by little. You know what? Forget it. Here. There. Enjoy yourself. Hope you're happy. Okay. It's sort of beading. Okay. We got it on the table, though. I didn't want to do that. Okay. So this is a pink fizzy, I guess? Let's see. Let's try this.
What?
Whoa. Okay, so I guess we're supposed to stir it up. You can see there's little floaties in there.
I'll drink some.
I'm gonna try some. Not me. What do you think? Interesting, huh?
I like it.
Yeah, I'm giving up on that one though, guys.
I wonder what it would taste like to try one of these.
Uh-oh. You try it out, experiment.
Oh
wow, it did nothing. Awesome. Okay. Alright guys, so there it is. There's the wreckage of our October 2018 Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys, from Japan Crate and OK Goodreview, guys. So definitely check. You're wearing it. So guys, definitely there it is. That was an interesting crate, I think.
I'm wearing it.
Leo definitely liked it way better than I did, guys.
I won.
A very, again, candy heavy crate, except for these, which were these dried fish things that I adored. Those were awesome. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed our look at this. A little bit longer look than usual, guys. If you did, guys, please give us the old thumbs up, guys. Hit the red subscribe button. If you've not done so already, guys, hit the blue button next to the red subscribe button if you would like to be notified.
Look at this.
Guys, hit the blue button next to the red subscribe button if you'd like to be notified. The latest greatest content as becomes available, including more Japan Crate videos, guys. We have over a year of them in the Japan Crate playlist. So if you would like to go back and see what last year's Japan Crate this time of the year looked like, guys, it is there. It's waiting for you. Check it out. Don't leave it lonely, guys. Also, you can follow us on our Twitter feed, guys, where updates to the channel are made in live and direct time, guys, as soon as they happen. Guys, leave us a comment. Let us know if you do Japan Crates. If you're...
I tasted one of the floaties, guys.
Oh. guys, leave us a comment. Let us know if you like Japan Crates, if you've done these, if you're interested in these. This particular one, again, is a little bit sweets heavy for me. I like savory stuff a little bit more. But guys, let us know. Let us know if you do these. Guys, we're looking at adding in possibly another crate like Universal Yum or something like that. Leave us a comment. Let us know if you'd be interested in seeing that as well. Anyway, though, guys, that's going to wrap it up for us this time. We will see you all next time. Bye-bye.